Do your trap. Okay. So YouTube is not kind to me. So where was I? So I have this little project over here, which is a WSL2 provider, and I want to create just a basic little test. Do I have a WSL list? Yes, I have a couple of WSL instances already running, and this provider is basically what I can do with it is go to the, for example, examples and run the basic. And here I say a Vagrant up. You know, it takes some time, and because I'm streaming, maybe a demo get. %, and my stream dropped to 30 and 40 FPS. Great. This is not the best experience. Hey, this is just a mini PC that I'm using to stream. And now if I type WSL list, here is this new Vagrant WSL2 basic VM created, and I can use Vagrant SSH to get inside of it. And let's see, LSB, this is LSB release -a, and this is Ubuntu 2404, and everything is actually close others described in this little Vagrant file. But unfortunately, what I have noticed is not every VSL distribution is working with this provider. That's a unique thing to WSL2. So now I need a sanity compatibility check. Basically, we are going to create a new folder. Actually, I'm not going to create it because it's right here is Sunday evening, almost 8 o'clock, so I'm getting tired. But this is why we are using cloud, because it's not tired. So we should continue with the integration tests. Okay, I hope he will remember how to create one. We should create a new integration test. Basically, test should create a new folder, and inside of the folder it should initialize a new Vagrant project with Vagrant in it, and the distributions should be from the WSL-L-O output. We should run this distribution at a time. Yes, and what else? Okay. There are distributions that are not currently supported. So this will be a sanity check. Use Pester test for it. So this project don't have any unit test because probably many things will change while I'm developing this Vagrant plugin. This is why I decided to not use unit tests at all, because most of the code that I'm generating with Cloud is going to be changed. You know, it's a tryout. It's work, then great. If not, then we can simply discard it. And where I am, git branch. Yeah, I'm in the correct branch. That's great. Integration test all distributions. Okay, describe the output. Okay, output line object. I'm not really familiar with WSL2, so but that's not really a problem. I think this parser will fill, but who knows? Cyan available distributions, create a new template directory. So where we are. Compatibility summary. Data success, context. Okay. Okay. This is not what I want to do. That's perfect. So, okay, yes. And don't even try to think about it. Distribution folder should be in the examples folder, but it should be on git ignore first of all, and use Vagrant init to initialize Vagrant environment. Because that's the whole point of it. Use Vagrant init to initialize a new Vagrant project. Okay, example distribution tests. Okay, that's good. Using an AI to write a line of code. Okay, then pass. Example test. Yes. And not every time this happening. The edit not every time fails. Right. Yes. Okay, do Vagrant. No. Vagrant init distribution. Yes. Config box distribution. The thing is, right now, we don't have the ability to change the memory and the CPU limits for individual WSL2 distributions, so virtual machines. So basically, this is complete bullshit, and probably it's a garbage left in the cloud MD, or maybe in the README. Okay, but this is kind of good because what I should ask Cloud to change is the distribution, not the distribution name, the distribution name. What the hell? It's, what is it? Vagrant box name. Resize. Box URL. Maybe I will need to change this to distribution. So temp. Where is my backlist? I had it somewhere. Not. Maybe. Oh. Yeah. I'm back. Is it a bug or not? Box name.md naming VM boxes should use the standard naming and this should be name. Okay, let's see, what are you trying to do? Okay, so we are on the track. Test distribution, Pester, yes, all distributions. Okay. Nope. We are not allowing to run it right now. So. Copy. Let's ask why. Why so why do you think CPU and memory change are supported? Like here. Before we try to change it to what what we actually need. First, maybe we should ask why the hell he tries to put this configuration section into all of the and this is what usually happens. Hey, stop. I did not ask you to modify. I asked you to how this is spelled? S-plane. Oh, tell me why you are using CPU and memory settings in the config. I did not ask for it. So no. Why did you think you need to use these settings? Did you read about it somewhere over the rainbow in the configs? Readme cloud.md, because it is not correct for this provider. So it was in the cloud.md. Remove it or update it. Let's export that example. Oh, where was it? Memory size. Okay. Now this one. Oh, yeah. Update it. We should use for the default. That's more like it. I asked to update the cloud.md, not the test. Okay. Okay. I asked you to update the cloud, not the test. Okay, keep the test. Okay. This is happening quite often. Okay. This is not quite accurate because we can, in theory, define these values, and it will translate to the etc vsl.conf within a dotted notation, but some things doesn't have an effect if we put it into the WSL conf. Okay, now let's see what will happen if I try to run this test. So for this I don't really need elevated privileges, so I can run it as a simple user as well. So rake test, and let's see what's going to break. Wow. Hey. Code WSL2 integration invoke. Whatever. Okay. But I did not run that test. Fix it. Like I said, they're going to be error with the distribution parsing, but this is not that the issue what I was hoping for. Completed. Yeah. Describe. Right, was fun. Yep. Let me create a proper state. Okay, not a... No. Okay. Smoke time. Okay, now I'm back. Hi, if you are listening. So right now I'm trying to add some integration test for this Vagrant WSL2 provider. Basically, what I want to achieve is like go to the examples, create a new directory, mkdir, test these rows. Mkdir is not a command. Oh yeah. So it's already exists. So cd to test these rows and run WSL2.o. We have this list and create, for example, Vagrant init. This should not fail. And it's going to be a painfully slow process. Not Vagrant basic. Does this rows, here's the oh, wrong folder. So what is in the test all list rows, test distributions? Or they had a similar concept, but it was not covered with integration test yet. So make mk mkdir, yeah, cd to test distributions and Vagrant init on my Linux. Great. It will create this configuration and Vagrant up. Okay, WSL.l and default box could not be found. Oh, sorry, forgot provider WSL2. Forgot the provider. And now if I visual list, we should have a new WSL instance. Probably there's another bug in the naming convention, but it was just an experiment to create a new WSL instances. And if it exists, then we should be able to register this instance with Vagrant destroy. This story, okay. Destroy. Okay, and there. Okay. Something was not right. Okay. Wow. This is why I'm trying to create this integration test. Okay. This not This is the list of the distributions. There are no WSL boxes available on Vagrant Cloud because there is no official WSL2 provider. We are building it right now. So these are the distros available in the WSL store. The WSL2 provider is a wrapper around the WSL command. Come on, just write the list. No. I gave you the list. The test should use that list. Okay. Did he manage to actually make it right? And I was harsh on him. The parsing was wrong. Contest passed. Okay. So a wrong file. So he managed to remove the actual test. Okay. Now add the Vagrant in it. And Vagrant destroy steps to the test. Test each distribution. With Okay. Vagrant up. Vagrant destroy. I'm missing the part, but maybe I was not paying attention, where he tries to remove the Vagrant file, because that's going to be an issue. Oh. So it removes. Great. Test distributions, Linux. So he creates a separate folder for it. Not bad. Not bad. Now let's see. Well, okay. This is interesting. Okay, running Vagrant up. Great. My Linux should be running fine. Debian should also work fine. Okay. If the Vagrant box is not named, Vagrant destroy will not remove it. From the WSL distributions. So this is another bug that I will need to figure out and find. Why there is no watch command? Is there any? Windows watch command. Really? Okay. Comment. So let's see. Fedora. Yeah, this is the bug why I'm creating this test, because the SUSE Linux Enterprise distribution is not supporting the non-interactive flag for WSL app, WSL distribution creation, and this is why it's waiting for us to prompt our username and password to it. Okay. The test start on. This is because no. So. I want to. Actually, I'm interested in these two distributions. This test takes forever. Probably I will need to find a way to speed this up. This is Sudoers. Okay. Kali also passed. this should also. So, okay. We're almost there. Mm-hmm. What else? Oh, yes, 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 yes. So we have a timeout on a Vagrant app when we try to create the distribution. And this is why we have this little exception, because to create the Ubuntu 20 or 22, we need to do this in an interactive mode, and that's not implemented yet. Okay, so we are at this point. And probably I'm going to just wait for this test execution. Save this list for further use, and then I think I'm done for today, because I'm streaming almost 3 hours. Not bad for a start. And yeah, I know the beginning was about documenting this streaming setup, and I'm missing a green background. Green background would be much better than this OBS background remover. But, you know, you have to start somewhere. Okay. Probably I should say something funny, but I'm getting tired for that. Maybe if you can tell me a joke, that would be a better idea. Okay. Only 2 left. And we have quite a few distributions. But that's not so bad after all for an experimental Vagrant plugin that supports WSL2 that no one else tried to achieve yet. Now let's see the last one. Will it pass or will it not? I don't really remember. Does this rose Vagrant file or recovery Susa HP6 this will fail. Or maybe not. Because this example file was when I was trying to run the provisioners, the 5 provisioner especially. And oh, great. Now we have our result. 13 distribution out of the 22 is working somehow. Not everything is okay, but that's not a bad result. And this test will be the coffee break, or not coffee, avalanche break test, I think. Okay, let's copy all of it. And notes, new file, test all distribution .md integration test results. Nope. Let's make this a code block. Okay. 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 Let's wrap this up, I think. I will have just a little break and then we will document this and finish up the stream as well. So, be right back. Okay. Now I am back. So, Probably I should create a cloud action for it. Should I? I'm finishing up a coding session, but it's not every time working, unfortunately. So what I usually do is I think it's enough for today. I was streaming this session on Twitch as well. But I think we should create a blog post about the session with the test results as well. Okay. My blog is at that folder. It contains cloud. And the how we are creating a blog post. And let's see what will be the result. Yes. Being a developer is not so interesting, I know. Okay. Quite accurate. Okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Notes, bug. We should also note this. These bugs found. Hey, did you? The Shift A enter did not work. No. Just these. Mm-hmm. Sort of. Okay. So let's see. We have a new test file, a git ignore, and a new rake test action. Great. So, WSL2 distribution integration test added. WSL2 distribution. Oh, naming, always the naming. Distribution coverage. Okay, that sounds something nice. Okay, let's see. Then, if how the so also I have my local blog running posts distribution. Okay. Not that bad. Great. So this can be also committed and pushed. So okay. Commit Vagrant. Hey, Vagrant distribution test blog post. Commit and push it. So, hey, not there. Now the blog post is out. If you want to read it, then you can read it. And let's see, projects. Let's see it on the GitHub page. So currently it's available on GitHub. We are still a lot of way to where I could say that I'm actually proud of this project and everyone can use it, but I think it already has some features that could be useful. So probably I'm going to stream this development process for a time. If you want, you can join and provide some feedback. I don't know when will be the next time I will be on. Next time when I will be streaming. I hope tomorrow I will have some time for it, but I won't vouch for it. Okay, then I hope you enjoyed it. If you were here, then thank you for joining. See you in the next session. Bye. Oh, maybe just in case, put a save on the category. And now I'm able to just shut the stream down.